a themed children's museum. You take a tour through his house, and we encourage children and adults to touch everything. So we're going to take a quick look. You could go on in.
All right. So when you guys are coming past these gates, you're coming into the home of Phineas T. Pennypickle. He's a wacky scientist, inventor, and time traveler, and he's left all of his gadgets and gizmos for kids and their families to discover science through play. So everything is pretty much all hands-on. Anything with a petting a pickle, like over here, is interactive. It does something, but it doesn't do anything until you guys play with it. There's a few new exhibits that don't actually have penny and pickles, but basically you can come in and just discover. There's cool things to look at. We offer, they're not out. We offer scavenger hunts, and Beaker, which is Professor's pet little mouse, is always hiding in the museum. So kids and their families like to look for him, and they can come up and get a special stamp. So it's all about just fun and play. And if you guys want to come in, we have a big field trip coming in, so you might have to dodge a few children. They're going to be coming in to get science experiments in a few minutes. But come check it out.
Fishing lures.
And step on the pizza. It says while standing on the platform, try to pull on the rolling pin without spinning in the opposite direction. Stand on there.
Not good at that.
You build something and I'm not doing a good job. You build it and then make it quick. And see if it stands. I did good. It's not falling. I did
Too
good.
soon.
Oh, no, no. I didn't do I did. Okay.
Oh, look, it's like Legos. It has it. Yeah. Oh,
It's like a gigantic light bright. See, some people made like the Pac-Man and the ghost, fish. That must have taken some time. That'd take me forever to make one of those. But this is really cool. They change color too as you turn them.